Hey everyone, welcome back to AstroIsland and Happy New Year. Today I made this video purely about you. This is a thank you video because AstroIsland just reached 1,000 subscribers. And that milestone exists only because of your support. 2025 was an incredible year for this channel. What started as a place to share astrophotography knowledge, software tutorials, and processing techniques turned into a growing community of people who genuinely love astronomy and imaging the night sky. From beginner walkthroughs to more advanced stretching methods, image calibration, and workflow breakdowns, your comments, your likes, your shares, and your feedback shaped the direction of this channel more than you may realize. Every question asked, every image shared, and every discussion in the comments helped AstroIsland grow into what it is today. As we start off 2026, YouTube officially notified the channel that AstroIsland has crossed 1,000 subscribers. That number represents real people, fellow stargazers, astrophotographers, beginners, and advanced imagers who decided this content was worth subscribing to. That is not something I take lightly, and I want you to know how genuinely grateful I am for every single one of you. Looking ahead, 2026 is going to be a big year for AstroIsland. There's a lot to cover. New astrophotography software updates, advanced processing techniques, comparisons between tools, and deeper dives into workflows that help you get better results from your data. The goal is to continue creating content that is educational, practical, and accessible. Whether you are just starting out or refining your process after years in the hobby. This year, I also hope to take AstroIsland to the next level, hopefully by partnering with affiliate astronomy and astrophotography companies. These partnerships, when they make sense, will support the channel while introducing you to tools, software, and equipment that genuinely add value to your imaging journey. Transparency will always be the priority here. Anything recommended on this channel will be something I actually use or actually believe in. Another exciting direction for 2026 is the introduction of premium services, including one-on-one support for astrophotography processing workflow guidance and personalized help for those who want deeper assistance with their images. Additionally, AstroIsland merchandise is something I'm actively working toward. A way for you to represent the channel, support future content, and help keep AstroIsland growing. So once again, thank you for being part of AstroIsland. Thank you for helping reach 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for being part of what's coming next. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to join the AstroIsland community. Like the video, share it with fellow astronomy enthusiasts, and stay tuned because 2026 is just getting started and the best is yet to come. And of course, remember, it's not the size of your telescope that counts, it's how you use it. Clear skies everyone, and I'll see you again soon on AstroIsland.